In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple admin in Google Calendar. First, open your web browser and head to Google Calendar. We'll do this on the desktop version because it gives you the full set of sharing options. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the My Calendar section. If you don't see it, hover over the left panel or click the small arrow to expand it. This is where all the calendars you own or manage are listed. Choose the calendar where you want to add multiple admins. It's a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct calendar, especially if you have several for different teams or projects. Hover over that calendar name and click the three dots, then select Settings and Sharing. This opens the configuration page for just that calendar. Scroll to the section labeled Shared With or Shared With Specific People. Click Add People and Groups. In the box that appears, start entering the email address for each person you want to add as an admin. If suggestions appear as you type, you can pick from those or you can type the full address manually. Add one person, then repeat the same action to include as many people as you need. Take your time here to ensure the addresses are correct, and remember that the people you add should be using the Google account they'll rely on to manage the calendar. Next, choose the permission level for each person. You'll see 4 choices. See only free, busy hides details and only shows availability. See all event details lets them view everything but not change anything. Make changes to events allows them to create, edit, and delete events. Make changes and manage sharing grants full admin rights, including the ability to add or remove others. If you truly want someone to be an admin, select Make Changes to Events, or for full control including sharing, Make Changes and Manage Sharing. When you're ready, click Send. This notifies each person and applies the permissions you set. If you granted full permissions, that effectively makes them an admin of your main calendar. They may need to accept the invite before the access appears on their side. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see some sharing options, your organization settings may limit them. Be cautious with full admin access and review permissions periodically to keep your calendar secure and accurate. And that's it. Your calendar now has multiple admins ready to help manage events.